Yeah, and something that today is a big problem, and I think it will still a problem in the future, is the bias that AI products carry. Today, most of the AI products are learning using examples of the data, and most of the data we have is biased. No, so for instance, if I want to build like something for medical diagnosis, like something that detects, let's say, some anatomical zones from ultrasound, then I will need to have samples of people, like ultrasounds of people. And today, like these samples have many bias. Like most of the people come from European countries, and these type of things. And this is something that happens. And even like some years ago, I remember something that we, like many companies use a lot, are like sentiment analysis models. It's you give a text to the model and it tells you if the sentiment is positive or is negative. And there was a public model that had like really good results, but this was an example that got like very like famous. It was, if you write to the model, I'm going to on holidays to United States, and the sentiment was positive. And then I don't know why the same question, but I don't remember now the country, but it was not a country in war or something, but and it was like, I'm going on holidays too, and you could see that the sentiment was negative, when going on holidays should have a much bigger weight in the sentence than the geographical zone. And these are problems that are happening today and are also and will be in the future.
Before we get to the last question, is there any concern of, I mean, this is the typical thing, right? Like more science fiction kind of, but like of AI completely just taking over society, stuff like that? Or, you know, especially you knowing more the technical side of things, right? Maybe there's like a turn off button and we don't have to worry about anything. What are your thoughts on that?
As I see things now, I don't think so, because like AI, at the end, how we are using it to solve a concrete problem. But if we give a lot of problem with AI, something that maybe an example that we could see is that it could mess things around. For example, let's imagine that I want to sell. I'm a company that sells drinks, no? And then I put like some AI in my marketing campaigns to generate content. And then the AI learns that if you generate content that has like weapons, sex things, and these things, many people are going to see that content. And then, because the AI cannot think, and it wants at the end, what the idea is to maximize the views to get to more people. Something that it can do is, okay, then I'm going to I don't know, nude people drinking my drink, or things like this. And this could be something that could happen because if you don't think in those, that is something dangerous. The AI only has the objective that is to maximize the number of views that your marketing campaign has. So these type of things could happen, but there's no bad intention in it. It's just that you're messing things because you don't understand the full picture.